In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Instagram icon on Shopify. This is a simple but powerful change that helps your store visitors quickly find and follow your brand on Instagram, right from your website's footer. I'll walk you through each step inside your Shopify admin so you can follow along easily. First, log into your Shopify account and go to your main Shopify dashboard. This is the home screen where you normally manage your products, orders, and customers. Make sure you're in the right store if you manage more than one. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, look for the section labeled Online Store and click it. This will open up the area where you control how your website looks and feels, including themes and customizations. Under Online Store, you'll see your current theme listed. Next to that theme, click on the option to customize or edit the theme. This opens the theme editor, which is the visual tool Shopify gives you to adjust your storefront without needing to touch any code. Once the theme editor loads, you'll see a preview of your site on the right and a list of sections on the left. Scroll down that left-hand column until you get to the very bottom, where you'll find the footer section. Click on the footer. The footer is that area at the bottom of every page where you usually see links, contact details, and social icons. Now that you're in the footer settings, look for the option called Theme Settings within this editor view. Click on Theme Settings. This is where many themes group general options like colors, typography, and social media links. Inside Theme Settings, locate the field labeled Instagram URL or Instagram link. This is where you'll connect your store to your Instagram profile. In that box, paste or type your brand's full Instagram URL, starting with http:// Double check that it's your correct public profile and that there are no typos, because Shopify will use this exact link when someone clicks the Instagram icon. Once you've entered the URL, the Instagram icon should automatically be enabled in your footer based on how your theme is designed. To make sure your changes are live, go to the top right corner of the editor and click the Save button. Wait a moment for Shopify to confirm that everything is saved. Finally, preview your store and scroll down to the footer. You should now see the Instagram icon,